People say, Chase is being so narcissistic. Bitch, it's called being secure.
Switch my wig, make him feel like he cheating. Put him on his.
I got my little homie right here. I got my young nigga right here. Get what, dude? And we all tryna fuck. Me and my nigga, yeah, we tryna fuck. Me and my niggas, yeah, we tryna fuck. Me and my niggas, yeah, we tryna fuck. We tryna fuck. We tryna fuck.
Something that's hard for me is that I used to have a neighbor named Corn, and I'd be like, hey, Corn, what's up? And then one day our other neighbor was like, are you going to the barbecue? And I was like, oh yeah, I heard Corn's having it. And he's like, Corn? His name's Arturo. Then why have I been calling him?
I swear if there was one thing in this world that would cure my disability, it's Tostitos lime chips. Damn!
I'm a bad parent for dropping my kid. I'm not a bad parent, am I?
No.
I love you, kiddo.
I love you too.
Yo, glad we could all hang out, guys.
Red lobster, fresh fish, red lobster, red lobster, fresh fish, lobster, sir, red lobster, fresh fish, red lobster, red lobster, fresh fish, red lobster, fresh fish, red lobster, sir.
Yo, officer, singing challenge.
I want to love you, pretty young thing.
I don't sing. Pay by Monday.
$1,000, man.
Anyways, now I'm kind of in a good mood, so I'm just gonna explain to y'all what I did for the past 2 days. Okay, so I usually go to bed around like 1 p.m. like in the afternoon, and then after I'm done going to bed, I wake up and it's like 12 at night, and I don't know, that's like so fun to me because then I take a bath and then I watch Teen Wolf all fucking day, and that's so fun to me because I watch it until like 6 a.m. and then I come down here and I make breakfast by myself. Usually my sister's home, but when she's not, I make breakfast by myself. So yeah, I'm making muffins and shit like that, so I'm gonna make breakfast and then I'm going upstairs and I'm watching Teen Wolf, and then I'm gonna wait until my orientation online for dual credit. I didn't mean to say, like, y'all probably thought it was like regular school, but it was for dual credit for community college, because I'm going to community college. Sorry, I have to go to community college. I can't go to
go to fuck somebody and then be like, oh, we have the same love handles, twinsies. That's fucking disgusting. That's so gross. My body is not a temple. It is disgusting and I don't want to fuck it. Period.
This isn't about being attracted to yourself. It's about knowing.
It's sex.
It's about knowing what you want, and nobody can pleasure you better than yourself. It's about knowing what you want. Like, it's not like, damn, I want to fuck myself. It's like, nobody could do this better than I could.
I, for one, would like to say, I am fine with myself. I'm confident in my own body.
Same.
Yep, I could look myself in the eye and jack off. I could do it. It's not like the top of my list, but I could do it and not freak out. So I feel like I could look at myself in my clone nude and be like, yeah, shoddy kind of thick.
Have you guys never sat on your hand before you jerked off to have it numb? It's the same thing. Fucking clone, no different.
Before we go to bed, what was your high and what was your low of the day? So my low is that the FDA released the names of 9 hand sanitizers that don't actually clean. But my high is that I found the perfect hand sanitizer for when I use the bathroom in the middle of the night.
So you don't wash your hands in the middle of the night?
No, I mean, I wash them.
You just said that you don't.
I do, I just put water on them or something.
But no soap?
Yeah, I mean, I turn the faucet on and off just so JD doesn't think I'm disgusting.
Okay, I'm just gonna move on, honestly. So my high is that I ate all 3 meals over the sink and produced no dirty dishes today. My low is that I did have to fish a cold cut out of the garbage disposal.
Ooh, that's disgusting. Did you wash it off?
I mean, yeah, I just put a little bit of water on it. Okay, so there's a market there.
So you go download it and stream it and listen to it, and I want to know which y'all. Dumbass bitch.
Pussy talk, English, Spanish, and French. What is pussy talk? Euros, dollars, and yen. What is pussy talk? Bentleys, Rovers, and Benz. What is pussy fly? Private to Alice to M. What is pussy? I never snitch on you, daddy. Never. I hold a brick for you, daddy. Splash on a bitch for you, daddy. Top of the wrist, get 8 like I say. I'm a cream on your face, little daddy. Ice my wrist, I'm petty. We'll never ever have steady.
Topic of the day, men and marriage.
Don't do it!
That's it. I'm getting acrylic nails. Oh my god, yeah, sis. Like, shoot your shot. I don't know what shape to get. Like, rounded or really, really pointy. And what even is acrylic? Oh, it's plastic. What? Yeah. Do the Instagram baddies know? I'm not sure. Honestly, that's gonna be a hell of a day. That's like a lot to digest for my small stomach. Tiny. Oh my god, yeah, take your time. Just know acrylic and plastic, it's like the square rectangle thing. Not all rectangles are squares, but all squares are rectangles. What shape are my acrylics? Sis, they're square. Yeah.
Thanks. Okay, yeah. Sheila, we're gonna go with the square tip.
Off to Starbucks with the mama! Not the bad parenting.
Not the bad attitude.
Not the manipulation.
Stop.
Oh. Hi, can you just pay for me?
No.
Got it. So you hate me? Yes, I got a fat puda. Maybe it's my cuda.
Christian.
Okay. Girl, can you stop vaping? Thanks. I got a salted cold brew with cold cream foam. What'd you get? Oh, she doesn't know what it's called. She got a Java chip with
With raspberry syrup and single.
Oh, she's bad as freak. She remembered. So you didn't think you had a fun time. Why are you leaving? What's wrong with you? Peep the fit.
Little bad Trini bitch, but she mixed with China. Real thick vagina. Little bad Trini bitch, but she mixed with China.
Not the bang. Not the bang. Not the bang.
Shut up! Shut up, please! Shut up! Please! Please! Shut up!
Excuse me, excuse me, excuse me. Can I please bite a chunk out of that ass?
Colorado sunset check. It's a beautiful thing. Why am I gay? Boobs.
Filling up the pool. This is fun.
Yeah.
Bitches be like, I mean this in the nicest way possible, but you're the Walmart version of somebody. How the fuck am I supposed to take that? That didn't hurt.
Hey Jack, can we get a milkshake from McDonald's? Fuck no. Why the fuck would I ever want to? But Jack! McDonald's milkshake. Well shit, when you say it like that, we gotta fucking go!
Oh my god, check out this thing I just worked out that I could do. Hang on. Hang on, no, that was bad. Hang on. That sucks.
Working me, she working me.
me, urging me, it be urging me. Chill it up the top and close the curtain, please. I decided to go up like Major League. She just popped the perky just like pumpkin beans.